Hello, my name is Trinity, and I'm the chemistry tutor with the Office of Student Success. Today what I'll be teaching you is balancing equations. Our first equation that we're going to balance is aluminum, so Al plus O2, that's our oxygen gas, gives us Al 2O3. Now right now this equation is not balanced, and this is our reactant, and here's our product side. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line down the middle of both sides from our reactant and our products, and we are going to label how many of each element, the individual elements, are on each side without being balanced. So we're going to start off with our Al. We're going to keep our aluminums lined up. We're going to keep our oxygens lined up so that we don't confuse ourselves later whenever we're trying to balance these equations. Now, for aluminums, there's only one aluminum, and Al, this indicates right here without any subscripts that there's only one aluminum. And as for our oxygens, since the subscript is 2, there's 2 oxygens. On the other side, we have 2 aluminums and 3 oxygens. Now, our next step is we're going to try to find out how we can make these two equations the same number of elements on each side, the individual elements. So the same number of aluminums on both sides and same number of oxygens on both sides. Now, we cannot mess with our subscripts at the bottom because these subscripts have to stay there or it'll change the element. We can only put coefficients on the front of each element. So that being said, we have 1 aluminum on our reactant side and 2 aluminums on our product side. We have 2 oxygens on our reactant side and 3 oxygens on our product side. Now, since aluminum is only 1 and on our reactant side and oxygen has 2, it'll be the easiest to change aluminum. So we can put any coefficient over here. So we're going to start with our oxygen first because there's a 2 right here. It's a little bit trickier. So to balance our oxygen on this side with 2 oxygens and 3 oxygens on this side, on our product side, we need to, we'll go ahead and put a 3 here because 2 times 3 gives us 6. So since this is 6 now, and we'll go ahead, and since this is a whole element, we can't break these apart. We'll have to put our coefficient on the outside of aluminum oxide. So we're going to go ahead and put a 2 in the front of our Al2O3. Now, this not only changes our oxygen to 6, but it also changes our aluminum to 4. Now, in the beginning, I said that it's easiest to change the element that doesn't have any subscripts. So in this case, since this is a 4, we can go ahead and just write a 4 in front of our aluminum. If this was if the aluminum on the product side happened to be even a 20, we could go ahead and write 20 in the front of aluminum on our reactant side. So in this case, our equation is balanced. We do have 4 aluminums on both sides and 6 oxygens on the other side. Thank you so very much, and once again, my name is Trinity and I'm with the Office of Student Success. Thank you.